In this video, I'll show you how to earn money uploading photo on Shutterstock. Let us start step by step. First, download Contributor app from Play Store. Then open the app and click on sign up. Then fill up the form. Enter your name, display name, email and password. Click on get started. Open your email and verify your account. Fill up the form carefully and click on continue. Your account ready for uploading your photo. Then select your image and click on share. Click on contributor. Your photo has started uploading. Pay attention to following step. Briefly write something about your photo. Then enter some keyword about your image. I am giving some keyword about my image. Select your category. Finally, you can submit your photo. It will be approved after review. Then if someone downloads your photo, you will also get money from there. Subscribe to know the next process. Thanks for watching.